a Merry Christmas, a reggae Christmas. Santa, he's coming to town again. Whoa, whoa. Have a jolly Christmas, a Merry Christmas. Santa, he's coming to town again. Lots of goodies. It's Christmas time again.
Good morning, guys, and happy day 2 of Vlogmas. I look like a mess, you guys, but I just posted Vlogmas day 1, and that's what I was doing, and I got it done. I'm so happy. It just took me forever, but I got it done. You guys, I just posted it. Vlogmas day 1, shopping for the 21-day meal plan 1 minute ago. I'm just happy I got it done. Anyway, guys, I got nothing to do today. Oh, I do have something to do today. I have to pluck a frontal from a wig because I'm going to be doing a wig review for you guys from a company called Queen Life. I think that's what the company's called. So I have to pluck the frontal. Yeah, that's basically it, because ain't nobody want no frontal that looks like, you know, do I even know? So I still have to make my bed, still have to eat something. It is past 12 p.m. you guys, because I've been trying to finish this vlog and I still didn't eat anything all day. Like, that's so bad. I'm intermittent fasting right now, and I didn't want to intermittent fast. Like I was saying, I was gonna just stop intermittent fasting for the month of December, but it looks like I'm intermittent fasting without even me knowing. I'm so hungry. My stomach keeps going like, brrr. Oh, I hit my toe on my stupid bed. Oh. Make your bed in the morning time. Make your bed in the morning time. You already start being productive, so then the rest of the day will be productive too. What the heck was that? All I'm thinking about is food. I finished making my bed, you guys. It's not the greatest, but it's made. I'm tired of trying to hold on to you. Alright, guys, moment of truth. It says 2:45. I'm actually kind of shook right now. I thought it'd be more. Okay, I honestly thought that it was gonna say 250. I thought it was gonna say 250 or 252, and then I was gonna be depressed. But it said 245. My lowest was 235, so I already knew that I probably like gained 10 pounds. A lot of that's water weight, but I mean, I think there is some fat in there, you know? Oh, those stairs. How did I walk up those stairs when I was 100 pounds heavier? How did I do it? Oh, God. You guys wet your toothbrush first before you guys put your toothpaste on it, or do you put your toothpaste on it and then wet it? I have to wet my toothbrush first, then I put my toothpaste on it, and then I put it in the water again. You guys do that? I do that. Are you ready to open number 2? Yes. Okay, we have to find it though. Where is number 2? Where is number 2? There's number 2!
Oh, Mama,
you got a Kinder Egg! Kinder Egg! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are they yummy? Do your happy dance. Okay, guys, so time for me to get something to eat. It is currently 2:20 in the afternoon. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with me? Wasn't able to get the other quinoa and black bean burger. Quinoa black, I don't know what it's called, man. Black bean quinoa burger on the same brand. But I checked the ingredients of the black bean quinoa and this one, and they're not far off at all, you guys. Like maybe there's like one difference of it, and it's not like it's one difference of sugar or anything like that. It's like one difference of something like that's not even anything really. The only difference is sodium is 50 more. So like the other one is 3 mg, but this one is 350 mg, and it says that it has to be under 200 calories. It complies, it's just that this is 50 over. I mean, it looks good though. It looks really yummy. Ow. I also am gonna have eggs. You know, I'm gonna have the breakfast crack, I guess you could say. Is that what it's called? Is that what it's called? The breakfast crack? I'm gonna have the breakfast crack this morning. Because I'm eating breakfast so late, you guys, I'm gonna have my snack with my breakfast, if that makes sense, you know? Because I'm eating very late. It's like I'm intermittent fasting right now. Guys, I made my food. food, I forgot to tape it. All I did was just fry some eggs and put some cottage cheese on top, but I put it in the pan first, and then I obviously just cooked my veggie burger, and I just put some mustard on top of it, guys. But that is what my breakfast is looking like. Right now, I'm just boiling some water to have some tea, and then I'm gonna also have a rice cake with some almond butter and some blueberries. I'm excited because I'm so hungry, guys. Oh my gosh, look, there's my Christmas tree. You guys like it? I'm gonna take my apple cider vinegar now. Sour. I know I'm supposed to eat it with a straw, but I didn't have any straw, so I just drank it like that. I try to cover my teeth as much as I can, but they're already messed up anyway. All right, and this is my breakfast on my 21-day meal plan. Got the veggie burger, got the cottage cheese, I got the egg, I got the rice cake with some almond butter and some blueberries with cinnamon on it. I got my water. I'm supposed to drink like my goal is to drink at least 2 of these, and then I have my ginger lemon tea with some lemon inside. I'm gonna mess this up, guys. Woo! Okay guys, so now it is time for my dinner. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I got distracted because I was watching a bunch of Vlogmas videos. Like, I'm dead ass right now. I'm so serious. I still have to pluck my wig. Today was just a relaxing day. You know, today's my rest day. It's Sunday, so it was just a relaxing day. I had some salmon, so I just cut them up in like fillet pieces, and then I added some black pepper seasoning. I'm not using salt, which is very, very weird for me because I always use salt. This is onion powder. I also like pepper flakes, so I'm gonna add some pepper flakes in this. I like spicy food, so I'm adding a generous amount. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, and I'm gonna add some paprika. Get up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it up. I'm also going to add this seasoning that my mom made. It's like, she calls it green seasoning. Mom's from Trinidad and Tobago, so they always have like their like special seasoning, if you know what I mean. I'm going to just mix this all up, and then I'm going to cut up some bell peppers and some onions, and yeah, throw them into the pot. I know I should be using a cutting board, but nah. Now I just added the spinach, guys, and I'm gonna wait for this to cook down. But I'm also gonna add some seasonings. I'm just gonna add the black pepper, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and some paprika again to this mix, just to give it some more taste. But so far, so good. Hey, there goes my salmon. So I just mixed it all in together, guys, and I just placed it down in the pan slash skillet. It's like a pot slash skillet. Oh my gosh, you guys, it looks so good. It even smells better. I cannot wait to do this. I'm gonna show you guys the end product when it's finished. It looks amazing. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now that it's all cooked down. Added my seasonings and stuff. Now I'm gonna hop over to the salmon and get that done too. Okay, still not done yet. Almost there. Almost there. Smells so good, you guys. Oh my god. And there you have it, guys. This is the finished product of my dinner. It looks so good, so yummy. I'm so excited to eat this, guys. I'm so hungry. I added some green onions, guys, and some yogurt to the top of it, and I think it just took it to the next level. Like, oh, this looks so good. And this is on the menu for dessert, guys. So this is some 90-second almond bread with some almond butter and some blueberries and cinnamon. Guys, check the link in my description box below to the 21-day meal plan and get it. I'm telling you right now, it is so good. Y'all are missing out. Okay, so this is the wig that I have to pluck. It's from a company called, what's the company called again? Let me see, I forget. So it's from a company called Queen Life, and I'm supposed to pluck it and make it look more realistic, and then, you know, give my 2 cents about the wig. But I will say that the wig is nice, but I'll show you guys what it looks like when I pluck it, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna pluck it now. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. This is with me plucking the frontal, and this is with me not plucking it. So no pluck, plucked. And I still want to pluck a little bit back here too. I mean, I'm not a professional, I'm not the best. I can try a little thing, you know? So I plucked the frontal, guys. How do you guys think? What do you guys think about the hair? I think it looks better now that I plucked it. Yeah, I like it. It's cute. I'll straighten it tomorrow and, you know, make it look even cuter, but it's a lot better. Alright guys, but that is it for Vlogmas Day 2. This took me like an hour to do, you guys. It's like past 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired. And I just want to go to sleep, and I have to edit this video. I have to edit some of it at least, so that's what I'll be doing now. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of boring. Today was a chill day, it was my rest day. Tomorrow I have to film a video, so hopefully I can get this video done, like this wig review and a get ready with me done tomorrow. And yeah, you guys, this wig is really cute, don't you guys think? But anyways, like I said, don't forget to thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. For Vlogmas Day 3. There we go. Alright guys, bye.
Bye.
'Cause we're walking in a winter wonderland.